This is how the game is supposed to be. I got the guts of a nigga doing burglaries. Cool like I'm cutting up a surgery. BA for the niggas that ain't heard of me. Put the Henny up and put your money down. Scared money gets took, there's more to go around. Fools are shook from when they hear the bass pound. Didn't know BA was getting down with the sound. Money is something that I got to get, so I gotta keep it hot from the intro. Shay came over and she brought the endo, plus 2 Dutchies she got from the sit-go. Y'all know what time it is. BA ain't really on no violent shit. Just really wanna vibe and shit. Lay back, listen to my rhyme and shit. R12.
We're going all out, and we can't fail. Throw it out, never be in doubt. This is R12.
R12.
We're going all out, and we can't fail. Throw it out, never be in doubt. This is R12.
R12.
We're going all out, and we can't fail. Throw it out, never be in doubt. This is R12.
R12.
We're going all out, and we can't fail. Throw it out, never be in doubt. This is R12.
R12 pay double when you off in the field. Niggas is mad cause rap money's buying my meals. I ain't gotta hate, just stating how I feel. Y'all don't understand the work that it took to get the deal. Better ready up, the dice is finna roll. Blood flowing through my veins is ice cold. Bet the mother load that you see these whack. Took your shit back, showing disgust with these tracks. Niggas make an album and hang on 2 songs. 2 that's okay, 10 that's so wrong. Rhyming off beat the tracks that's too long. My dirty dozen, they bang like King Kong. This is R12, my ship is coming in. Punk money stay to the side, it can't win. Put it all down on 2 dice to spin. When it looks like money, I breaks out the grin. R12.